Every single day, millions of chocolate bars are produced at lightning speed, and this factory is one of the most advanced in the world. What you're seeing right now is a perfectly synchronized process where chocolate, caramel, and nougat come together with machine-level precision. This isn't just candy making. This is industrial engineering at its finest. Stay with us, because once this production line starts moving, it never stops. What you're seeing right now is not just chocolate production. This is one of the most precisely engineered food processes on Earth. Every second, these machines are shaping a bar that millions of people will eat within days, sometimes hours. A single Snickers bar passes through more than 20 controlled stages before it ever reaches a wrapper. Temperature, pressure, and timing are so precise that even a 1-second delay can ruin an entire batch. First comes the nougat base. It's mixed at exact speeds to control air density, giving Snickers its soft but structured texture. Too much air and the bar collapses.
The temperature
Too
is
little
stabilizing
and it becomes hard and dry.
Yes, the cooling system is working efficiently.
Next, roasted peanuts are added. Every nut is inspected, sorted, and evenly distributed to guarantee the same bite in every single bar. This consistency is why Snickers tastes identical, whether you buy it in New York, London, or Tokyo. Then comes the caramel layer, heated just enough to flow smoothly, but cooled instantly to lock in its shape. Finally, the bar is coated in liquid chocolate, moving continuously so no excess ever goes to waste. Factories like this produce hundreds of thousands of Snickers bars every single hour. Over a year, that number reaches into the billions, all following the exact same process you're watching now. So the next time you unwrap a Snickers bar, remember, you're holding the result of precision engineering, automation, and decades of perfected design.
All batch numbers align with the global standards.
Excellent. Final certification approved.
We're ahead of schedule on the Snickers shipment.
Good, let's keep the flow moving.
Regional performance is strong, but look at the consumer satisfaction dip in the Midwest.
We need to address that immediately. As you can see, our market penetration in Southeast Asia has exceeded expectations.
Yes, but what about the distribution networks in Latin America? We need to leverage that growth.
We have 50 cases accounted for.
Okay, I'll start moving these to the shelves. All right, that's everything for you. Your total is $12.50. Did you want a receipt? Back it up slowly now. Keep it coming. All right, hold it right there. Set the brake. Keep the flow.